Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we are going to do the giveaway drawing for the 2 washi tapes that I got free with purchase from all the other washi tapes. And I have a video where I'm doing like gift ideas for people, and I'll link that up there. Oops, let me scoot that out of the way. I'll link it up here in the cards, and I'll link it in the description box. But I don't use people in anything. And it's not really my style, so I thought, you know what, I will give these away. These have flowers on them too, so, you know, they could be used. Anybody could use them. So I said if you guys were interested to leave me a comment, and I would give them away to one of you. So that's that, but I also wanted to show you, all the other washi tapes from that video, I swatched in my washi tape sampler book, and I have a video on this too. I'll link that up there. So I did add some of the washi tapes to the front cover because I thought they were so pretty. But let me show you where, let's see, where I started here. Okay, so here is, from here down, and this whole page is one of the sets of washi. I think that's where I started. Yeah. And then I flipped back to the back side. So here's the front. And then I flipped it back to the back side as I started adding washi tape back here. So here is here's the other set. So look, there's washi tapes, and then there's like stickers. So all of those are like individual washi stickers, and they're so cool, right? All of those are so cool. I just love it. I love the frames, and I love the flowers, the roses. It looks so good. I love these washis. Okay, so then all the Halloween ones. These are all washi stickers. Look how many there are. These are all stickers, and they're so cute. So if you're doing like a Halloween journal or something, or a Halloween album, look how cute these are. Some of them are a little bit more creepy than cute, but all the same, they're super, super adorable. Welcome to our haunted house. And there's Halloween, and that funny, not funny, oh, what's it called? Like anonymous letter style. It's just cute. Ghosts, ghouls, and goblins, and spookies. Oh. Does that say spooky? I don't know, I can't read it. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you, I did swatch them all in my washi tape sampler. So okay, so I've already pulled in the URL for the video. You had to leave a comment under the washi tape video, and I will hit start, and I'll go check to make sure that you are a subscriber, and then we will get you your winnings. You'll have to contact me and all that stuff, but I'll talk about that in just a second. So where's it gonna go? I'm gonna hit start. Okay, that person was not a subscriber, so I'm gonna hit start again. All right, let me check. Okay, so congratulations to Roberta Crawley 6927. I'll have an email down below in the description box and the first pinned comment, and contact me via that email, and only giveaway winner correspondence goes through that email. Contact me through that email, and I'll give you what, a week to whatever a week from this date is. Let me look. I'll give you to the 25th to contact me to collect your winnings, and I will get them out to you. So congratulations to you, and if she decides she doesn't want them, then I will redraw. So I will let you know. And if I don't hear from her, I also will redraw and let you know. Okay, thanks for joining me today, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.